If your Geniani heating pad is not turning on, showing blinking lights, or not heating up properly, a quick reset can often resolve these problems. Here are the simple steps to reset your heating pad. First, ensure the control connector is firmly connected to the pad and the power cord is securely plugged into the outlet. Turn the controller to the off position and unplug the power cord from both the electrical outlet and the heating pad. Wait a few minutes to allow the internal components to fully reset. Plug the power cord back into a wall outlet directly, avoiding extension cords if possible. Finally, turn the heating pad back on. This reset process should restore proper functionality to your heating pad. If your power button feels stiff, some users have carefully disassembled the control unit and slightly loosened the screws around the button, but proceed with caution, as this may void your warranty. If your heating pad reset didn't solve the problem, here are additional troubleshooting steps to try. First, carefully inspect the power cord for any signs of damage. Look for cuts, fraying, or exposed wires that could be dangerous. Never use a heating pad with a damaged cord. This poses serious safety risks, including electrical shock and fire hazards. Always plug your heating pad directly into a wall outlet. Avoid using extension cords whenever possible, as they can cause power issues. Geniani heating pads have a built-in auto-off feature that automatically turns the unit off after 2 hours of continuous use for safety and energy conservation. Follow these critical safety guidelines to prevent burns and injuries. Never use the heating pad while sleeping or position it underneath your body. Regularly check your skin for signs of burns or irritation. If you develop a rash or unusual skin patterns from heat exposure, consult a dermatologist immediately. If problems persist after troubleshooting, check your warranty information for service options. Heating pads contain no user serviceable parts and should be professionally serviced or replaced.